In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate an Instagram feed into your Google site. This process will help you showcase dynamic, engaging content that keeps your audience updated and connected. By the end of this guide, you'll have your Instagram feed live on your site without breaking a sweat. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Sites. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in with your Google account to access your site. Google Sites is a versatile tool that allows you to create simple web pages and collaborate with others easily. Once you're signed in, choose the site where you'd like to add the Instagram feed. Now it's time to head over to elfsight.com. Elfsight is a third-party service that offers various customizable widgets, perfect for enhancing your website's functionality. In the search bar at the top of Elfsight's homepage, type in Instagram feed. This search will generate a list of widgets related to Instagram feeds, and you'll need to click on the one that best fits your needs. Once you've selected your desired Instagram feed widget, you'll see an array of templates. Take your time to scroll through these options and find one that complements the design of your existing site. Remember, the right template should not only be visually appealing, but also align with your site's overall theme for a cohesive look. After selecting your preferred template, click on Continue. Elfsight will take you through a simple setup process where you can customize your feed. You can usually adjust settings like layout options, feed mode, and any specific filters to suit your personal or brand aesthetic. Feel free to tweak these settings until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Once done, hit Publish. Now, an essential step, copy the embed code provided by Elfsight. This piece of code is what you'll use to integrate the Instagram feed into your Google site. With the code copied, switch back to your Google Sites window. Within your Google site, locate the spot where you'd like this feed to appear. Click on the Embed option, typically found in the Insert menu. When prompted, choose the By URL or Embed Code tab and paste the code you copied from Elfsight into the designated input area. After pasting the code, click Insert to add the Instagram feed to your site. Take a moment to adjust the position and size of the feed to fit perfectly within your page. And just like that, you're all set. Your Instagram feed is now visible on your Google site, ready to engage your visitors with its fresh content. Keep in mind that with sites like Google Sites and services like Elfsight, maintaining an interactive and up-to-date web presence has never been easier. Enjoy the new look of your site, and thanks for tuning in.